Hi dears, welcome to the new economic session. Right now I am talking about the elasticity.
You already know that law of demand says that there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity. So the price goes up for a product, people buy less. The price goes down, people buy more. But the question now is how much less or how much more they buy, and that's the idea of elasticity. Elasticity shows how sensitive quantity is to a change in price. What happens to a quantity when there is a change in price? The five types of price elasticity of demand. First one is perfectly elastic demand, and second perfectly inelastic demand, and third one is relatively elastic demand, and fourth one relatively inelastic demand, and fifth one is unitary elastic demand. The first one is perfectly elastic. If the demand curve is horizontal, a firm cannot change the price at all. If they change the price, no one going to buy. So the percentage change in the quantity divided by percentage change in price will be infinite. The second one is the perfectly inelastic. What if the demand is vertical? Well, that means that increase in price has no effect on quantity. The quantity does not change, so the percentage change in the quantity is zero when even there is a percentage change in price. So the elastic demand coefficient is zero, that is percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price will be zero. The next one is elastic. Elastic demand means quantity is sensitive to a change in price. So right here, when the price goes up, the quantity demanded will lot, and when the price goes down, the quantity demand goes up will lot. So when the demand is elastic, it means these products have many substitutes. And the percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price will be greater than 1. For example, we can see that 10% increase in price will lead to 40% decrease in quantity demanded. The next one is inelastic. So when the demand is inelastic, the quantity is insensitive to a change in price. And it goes the other direction. When the price falls, the quantity demand goes up, but just a little bit. So when the price goes down, you buy a little bit more. When the price goes up, you buy a little bit less. That means it is insensitive to a change in price. The reason for this is because products that have an inelastic demand have very few substitutes. And the percentage change in quantity divided by percentage in price is less than 1. For example, we can see here that 30% increase in price will lead to 10% decrease in inelastic. The last one is unit elastic. Now what if the percentage change in quantity is exactly equal to the percentage change in price? Well, that is something unit elastic. Unit elastic is the idea if the price goes up 20%, then the quantity goes down 20%, that's equal to 1. That is percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price will be equal to 1. Finally, you can see all the types together here: perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, unitary elastic, and relatively elastic, relatively inelastic. It shows that perfectly elastic, the demand is infinite, and perfectly inelastic, the demand is zero, and unit elastic it's equal to 1, and relatively elastic it's greater than 1, and relatively inelastic it is less than 1.
I hope you understand the session very well. Thank you.